It's a common misconception that once you become an adult, you can figure everything out on your own. However, this can't be further from the truth. The truth is, everybody struggles to navigate the world, especially financially. Dealing with finances, and more importantly, making it grow, is a gigantic task that leaves young teens and adults feeling overwhelmed and stressed out. That's where Exodus Capital steps in. We help people like you grow financially by means of education, because the first thing you should invest in is yourself. Exodus Capital is an all-in-one financial education platform that offers high-quality video streaming, full educational courses, and even one-on-one mentoring for business, investing, and other financial matters. Let Exodus Capital help you to become the best version of yourself financially. One of the highlights of Exodus Capital is the abundant catalog of ready-to-stream full courses on different topics that are finance related. Currently, Exodus Capital has 6 full courses. This includes paper assets, which include Forex, stocks and crypto, real estate investing, e-commerce, social media marketing, wealth preservation, and even a newer source of income, Turo car rentals. These courses are designed to be your one-stop shop for everything you need to know about a specific topic, especially for those who are just starting and are overwhelmed by the amount of noise and information out there. Want to know different channels to fund a real estate property? What are the red flags when investing? What factors should we look into before starting a business? All of these and more are answered through our educational videos and courses. What's more is that we offer different subscription plans to suit your needs and budget accurately. Of course, Exodus Capital doesn't expect people to jump in blindly, which is why we offer a 7-day free trial for our subscriptions, so you can decide whether our top-notch educational content suits your needs. Learning about economics and finance can both be such a chore and such a bore, and it usually requires tons and tons of reading, which means having to allocate time off your schedule to do so. We at Exodus Capital teach you all the things you want to know without the bore and the chore of learning. Our educational courses can simply be accessed through our website, which can be run on smartphones, tablets, and laptops, and all you need is good Wi-Fi. Exodus Capital has already produced happy and satisfied clients, ranging from different backgrounds and financial statuses. Our clients' testimonials and reviews can be found throughout our social media pages, as well as Google reviews. We believe that everyone deserves to have financial freedom, and we are here to help you achieve it.